take a gander at my favorite method for cropping button-up t-shirts. All right, so this is the shirt that I'm going to be working on today. There's mostly two options here. You can either fold this up and create the pocket on the inside. You can also flip it up and create the pockets on the outside. The utility of the shirt is a little bit better when the pockets are on the outside, but both methods work and both I find are useful and create a nice result. Okay, so what I've done here is I've pinned and created the folds that will eventually make the pockets. I made a fold like this, and then I take the lining, the edge of the shirt, and I fold it over, and then I fold this bottom part down into a little triangle. This allows the shirt to still function and expose the buttons. Going up to define the pocket become much easier once this stitch is made first. How I do the back part is I just do one long stitch along the middle. So this whole entire back section becomes a pocket. All right, so here's a look at the finished shirt. We've got two fully functional pockets in the front, and then one really big pocket back here. And it's got a really rather boxy fit. I chose to go for some contrast here rather than folding the pocket inward. And you want it to be a little bit more fitted. There's a way you can do that. If you don't really like the super boxy look, you can just take one gigantic safety pin. Right up there, you see that? One gigantic safety pin and just make a pleat and check it out. Now it is not so boxy. You can also achieve this by sewing. I've done this on some other shirts where I just make two pleats here in the back and it gives it a more fitted look. But I kind of like this. It gives me the option to also wear it really boxy. So look at that. You can wear it however you would like.